This is a tutorial on how to add a strain relief for an extension cord into your case. So instead of putting my transformer in and having the prongs sticking out down below here, what I'm going to do is on the back side here I'm going to put a strain relief, and a strain relief basically is a piece of plastic that pushes into your case, and then it clips the extension cord in place so you can't pull it out. So what I'm going to do is on this end I'm going to draw. So I've highlighted it once so it's in dark green. I'm going to click on Extrude, and I'm going to go into Sketch View right here and turn it sideways, and all I'm going to do here is simply add the shape of the strain relief. So to do that I'm going to start off with a center rectangle, and I'm going to click anywhere on it. Doesn't really matter, we'll position it later. I'm going to click the select tool, and now I'm going to change the size. The size horizontally or across is going to be 0.45, and up and down or vertically it's going to be 0.21. Okay, and there's my basic box. I'm going to now select the center tool, and you can see it's center circle, and click on the center, and I'm going to have it come out and just grab the actual corners of the square. So I'll click on that, and I'll hit select, and I'm going to zoom in a tiny bit to see what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do now is simply come up to this tool here, and this is the delete segment. Click on it, and I'm going to remove the parts I don't want. So I'm just going to hold the mouse key down and draw across the sections that I don't want. So I don't want those ones, I don't want the middle stuff. Okay, I don't want these guys down here, and there's basically is what my shape of my strain relief is going to look like. Okay, then I click on OK, and you can see it goes to the orange. And now I simply want to remove the material, so I reverse the direction, remove the material, and there's my hole for my strain relief. Okay, and I'm going to accept it, and there we go. Now the problem is, let me just up here I'm going to add shading with edges so you can see it a bit better. So there's the hole. Now the problem is that the cord's got to go through there, and you got to be very careful as to where the transformer is and everything else. So I could move that over on this side, or I could put it, you know, I've kind of dumb to put it on the top. You know, I could in theory kind of move this down and put it up above as well, so they're both on the same side, but that's kind of silly as well. So I'll let you figure out where you want it, and again you need some space for the cord to go into the case, and remember there's a transformer inside. So that concludes how to make the strain relief, and then all you got to do is finish off the bottom piece.